Pakistan is not just a country. It is a living symphony composed of four timeless dreams. From the golden fields of Punjab, where the earth breathes life into every harvest, to the snow-covered peaks of the north, where the skies whisper stories of silence and strength. In the ancient sands of Sindh, time flows with the mighty Indus River, carrying echoes of lost civilizations. And in the rugged heartlands of Khyber, Pakhtunkhwa, and Balochistan, the spirit burns fierce and proud. These four dreams, earth, sky, time, and spirit, come together like notes in a grand melody, each one unique yet perfectly in tune. This is the Symphony of Pakistan, a song written not in words, but in rivers, mountains, and stories. One nation, one soul.